Hello my beautiful audience, welcome back to One Minute School. In this video I'm gonna show you how to handle fiverr, Upwork or Kyork late delivery situation. So guys, you can see that I'm on my fiverr dashboard and you can see that here is two job running on my dashboard. You can see that this one $65 and this one $30. So I delivered the $30 job, but here you can see that the $65, that's delivery time is here 21 hour and 42 minutes late already, because I was busy on my another project at Upwork. I was in remote project. So today I'm gonna suggest you how to handle that issue. So I already faced many times these issues, and I'm using my tactics that I'm always trying to convince my client. I'm saying him or herself that I was busy on another project, or I was in a technical problem. That's the real method to convince and solve the issues to get positive reviews. Sometimes we do that. We deliver our work without any communication with client, so that they take our work and they can reject our job. Also they can provide our negative reviews. So guys, you should communicate with your client with any situation. You should explain him about your situation right now. So thanks for watching my videos. If you like my videos, please press and hit on the subscribe button, and let's see you in the next videos.